Hi guys, in this video today, we will show you the front end and how to enroll and finish the course. We use the Eduma themes for our site. Now, in Learn Presetting tab, we navigate to All Course page and View page. You can select a tab to show, Read, or List, and besides is Search Our Course function. Go ahead to the single course page. Here, we show the course description, number of lectures, quizzes, duration, skill level, language, student, and assessment. To enroll the course, you click Buy Now with the paid course or Start Now with the free course. To finish a course, you need to pass an assessment. On the other hand, to enroll a course, you click on Buy Now or Start Now if you have not enrolled, or Continue if enrolled. Here, we select to evaluate via lessons and set passing grade at 80%. And the course has 5 lessons, so we need to complete at least 4 lessons to finish the course. After finishing a lesson, click Complete button. Then, you can select Finish Course to end the course. That's all for this video, and in the next video, we will introduce you the profile page overview. Thank you for watching.